FM! Hello boat riders! Olivier Riley from south of France. So let's go for it! The topic of today is we need to talk about food, guys. Because this is really important for me at the moment, because I'm reaching my 32 years old, and trust me, if you're in maybe under 10 or teenager or between 20 and 30, you will understand when you reach 30 years old that if you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to ride long. So, peace and take care of yourself. I share with you my personal diet I try to develop at the moment, and I want to share with you to get maximum of my energy on the water, hitting my spots, and keep on riding and pushing the limits and go for it. So first thing first, protein, guys. When you type the word protein on the web, protein, you will say, bodybuilders say, oh, what I want to take is, take the whey, dude, take the whey, WHEY, I don't know what it's talking about. And whey, which is basically concentration, extract of protein from, actually it's from cow milk. Dude, what are we talking about? In the next video I said that actually cow milk is a poison for human beings. In France it's proven that half population, 50% of the whole French population is not able to get disease from cow milk. So every person on the internet that try to sell you, because you are the customer, okay, you are the one which is gonna pay your protein dose of the whey, like 100% making 100 billions profits about these companies selling you whey. Just try to figure this out. Which is the process behind the things? Why are they selling the whey that much and making that much profit around the whole business? Because it's not healthy for you. Maybe because it's not healthy for you. This is my point of view, okay? So, I try to figure it out because I at the moment, in our supermarkets, I think that not only on the internet there is whey, this is something like fashion for sport guys or fitness women that you can see everywhere, but on the stores in our supermarkets you can find industrial fish and industrial meat. And I try to figure out all the source, the best 5 sources of proteins you can try to think about if you want to reduce industrial proteins from you, because it's causing disease. Maybe it's not causing disease during the first year or 5 years or 10 years of use, but if you use and abuse of this, your body will knock at your door one of those days. Trust me, guys. So the best things I found on the internet and I try to use in my regular diets is quinoa. I will write some more about that. So quinoa and rice, but not the industrial rice. I suggest that you try to find in your local store, your local dealers, or maybe organic dealers, specific rice, which is more raw and contains like 100% more macronutrients and micronutrients, which are more better than any rice on markets. So quinoa and rice, the first top ones. After that you got what we call in France sarrasin. It's called buckwheat. Actually buckwheat can be in your try to find some searches about buckwheat, but this is very important and very protein rich. I like to compare buckwheat with hemp seeds proteins. Okay, so this is the second place on the podium. So first quinoa rice, second buckwheat and hemp protein. Okay, hemp seeds protein. I'll talk about that later. And third, chia seeds. Chia or chia seeds. I found about that on the web also. I got here my supplements, which are actually at the moment hemp protein that you can see here. Hemp protein. I use it for breakfast, hemp protein, and I also use it during my dinner meal. I also have my chia seeds here. I also use it for breakfast, and I always have a cup of chia meal. And I use it because hemp, you will see if you try hemp, like raw that way, hemp powder, hemp protein, you will see that it's kind of not that easy to eat. So I try to use coconuts, like raw coconuts, like you can see here, and cocoa, which is like 100% raw cocoa here, and you will try to prepare some kind of things. I'm sorry, one of my mates is calling. Actually, it's raining everywhere. So about hemp, I suggest that you try to prepare it and introduce in your shaker if you're already doing shakers, or in your average food of every day. I got some more supplements actually, but I'll talk to you about that later. So, if you like this video, thumbs up, thank you very much. If you got another ideas or some questions, I'll be really happy to make videos to answer to your questions. Thank you very much for watching again. Write the boards, the only board riders blog you can we can share about this and share our passion. So enjoy your session all around the world. Just remember, proteins are not like they are selling you in the supermarkets with all the fucking industrial shit, or on the web like, oh, get fitness like me, get the way I like, dude. So go riding and go for it, and boom!